We're gonna show Suite 400. When you first come in, it's a small hallway. And then there's a conference area if you wish. There's a very, very wide open space. You can set up more desks here. And this is the big boss office. We'll start from here. So it has a lot of space. Yeah. Okay. And this is the second office. These furniture can stay. They're all brand new floor. And over here we have 2 more rooms. It's pretty large. And then 1 more room that you can use as office or as storage. This one does not have window. This is where the internet is. And on this floor, there are 4 bathrooms.